I'm going to show you how to do numerals. These are the numerals that you would use if you were going to pair them with majuscules and minuscules. So the number 0 or 0 goes between the lines for x height. If you're going to pair your numerals with majuscules only, capital letters only, then they'd be the same height as the majuscules and they will be a consistent height, whereas, as you'll see, these letters range above the lines for x height. So to start with, these first numbers, 0, 1 and 2, are all between the lines for x height. 3 and all odd numbers after go below the line for x height. So does the number 4, which is unusual because all even numbers after this extend above the lines for x height. 5, being an odd number, goes below. 6, an even number, extends above. I'm just going to thicken that stroke very slightly. 7, an odd, extends below. 8, an even. Try and keep these strokes nice and smooth, because then your counter, the space inside, will also be smooth. That extends above. And our last number 9 is an odd, and that goes below. An ampersand extends above the line for x height, and an ampersand represents the letter and. And it's quite a useful symbol to use if you've got a number of invitations, for example, Mr. and Mrs. and so on. Now punctuation, as you would expect, a comma and a full stop sit on the lower line for x height. A colon and a semicolon. There's your semicolon, now a colon. Generally, the lower part is just slightly above the lower line for x height. An exclamation mark extends above that line, and so does a question mark. An apostrophe is above, as are speech marks. And brackets too. Actually, that wasn't a very nice ending on that bracket. Let me just do that first one again. That's better.